Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing Ragi Upma recipe. No sooji or rava is used in this recipe and is made with 100% Ragi Rava, ideal as a filling and healthy breakfast or as a meal for dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a saucepan, I'm adding in 2 cups of water and I'm bringing this to a boil. I'm heating my kadai with 1 tablespoon wood pressed coconut oil. Once the oil is heated, add in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds starts to splutter, add in 1 teaspoon urad dal, 1 teaspoon bengal gram, also known as kadala peripper. Reduce the flame to the lowest. Add in 2 tablespoon pottu kadala, also known as roasted gram dal, 3 to 4 tablespoon peanuts, and on low flame lightly roast the ingredients. Okay, now the nuts are lightly roasted. Add in a handful or about 5 to 6 shallots thinly sliced. Instead of shallots, you can use half of an onion thinly sliced, 2 green chilies thinly sliced, ½ inch ginger thinly sliced, and give it a stir. Allow the shallots to turn transparent or light pink in color. Once the shallots are transparent, add in a fat pinch of hing, also known as asafoetida powder. Give it a stir. 1 grated carrot, 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or as needed. Add in 1 cup sprouted Ragi Rava. For those who are new to Ragi Rava, this is how it looks. Now the reason I am using sprouted Ragi Rava is that once Ragi is sprouted, the vitamin C levels tend to increase and leads to easy absorption of iron into the bloodstream. Sprouted Ragi also helps in better digestion and better nutrient absorption. Sprouted Ragi is ideal to include in diabetic diet, PCOS and thyroid diet, and also will help in weight loss. And lightly roast the Ragi Rava for about 2 to 3 minutes. The high fiber in Ragi helps to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Thus, it helps in weight loss and weight management. Ragi is packed with calcium, good carbs, amino acids, and vitamin D. It has a good amount of iron, thus ideal for those with iron deficiency anemia. 2 to 3 minutes later, the Ragi Rava is lightly roasted. Adding in 2 cups hot water. Add in a sprig of fresh curry leaves. I am tearing the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. Give it a stir. Cover and cook on low flame for about 7 to 10 minutes. In between, open the lid and give it a stir. Again cover and allow it to cook on low flame. 10 minutes later, open the lid. Add in 3 tablespoons grated coconut, handful of finely chopped coriander leaves, squeeze in half a lemon and give it a good stir. I like to cover the upma for about 2 minutes and then serve to a plate. After resting 2 minutes, open the lid, give it a stir, and my super healthy Ragi Upma is ready to serve. Transfer this to a serving plate and you can enjoy it with pickle, chutney, or you can have it simply on its own. So guys, do try this healthy Ragi Upma recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.